Hi viewers, welcome you all from Veggie Recipes Blogspot. Today we are going to show you how to prepare beetroot kurma. Ingredients for beetroot kurma: 1 beetroot, 1 potato, 2 onion, 2 tomato, coriander powder 1 tablespoon, 2 teaspoon of chilli powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, around 10 numbers of garlic cloves, small piece of ginger. This is for ginger garlic paste. 1 tablespoon of roasted gram, 4 green chilli, 2 teaspoon of fennel seed, 5 cloves, small piece of cinnamon, 3 cardamom, 3 tablespoon of grated coconut. This is for masala paste. And for tempering, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed and 1 bay leaf. Required oil and salt to taste. So cut the beetroot into pieces and you have to pressure cook this one for 1 whistle plus the potato. Cutting in the same manner how we have done for beetroot. You are adding potato. So we are going to boil this one together for 1 whistle in pressure cooker. So we are going to lid the pressure cooker for 1 whistle. Add little salt now, then you can add the salt afterwards. So this part should be removed from tomato. When you are cutting the tomato, this should be removed. That's why I am showing particularly this. So you have to remove. Always when you are using the tomato, just remove that one. See, in onion also you have to remove this part. Always. So only 1 whistle is enough. We are going to switch off the flame. So let the pressure subside in the pressure cooker. We will wait for that. Tomato and onion is ready. So ginger, we removed the skin. That's for ginger garlic paste. So we added the garlic cloves in the blender jar. We're going to grind this one. Ginger garlic paste. It's ready. So we are making ready for the masala. Green chilli, gram dal, roasted gram, grated coconut, cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, fennel seed. So we are going to grind this. See, we grind this one also. Masala is ready. So we are making everything ready, all the ingredients. We are making it ready. It's nicely cooked. Keep the pan. Switch on the flame. Add oil. Let the oil get heated up. 1 tablespoon of oil approximately. Bay leaf, cumin seed, onion. So we have to salt the onion first. Then we will add the tomato. So we're going to add the ginger garlic paste. Onion gets soft, so it turns to light brown color. Now only we have to add the ginger garlic paste. So we have to saute the ginger garlic paste till the raw smell go off. So we're going to add the tomato. Salt. Keep in mind there is salt in beetroot and potato as well. So as per that one you have to add a little salt now. So we're going to lid this one. So it is cooked. See, all the onion, tomato, everything blended together. So we're going to add the chilli powder and turmeric powder, coriander powder. So it's everything blended together. Now we're going to add the potato and beetroot with these ones. So boiled potato and beetroot. So we added all the ingredients except that masala paste. So that is the final one. We have to add little water. This is the very good side dish for Chapathi, Poori, Paratha, Roti. Now it started boiling. We're going to add the masala paste. So we can add little water and check the salt. Going to leave this one for 2 minutes. Let all get blended together including the masalas. Then we will switch off the flame. That is the final one. So we added all the ingredients. It's getting ready now. So we're going to remove the lid. We're going to switch off the flame. It's ready now. We're going to transfer this one to the bowl. Delicious beetroot kurma is ready. Beetroot Kurma from Veggie Recipes Blogspot, just for you. Enjoy. If you like my video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.